Are you looking to improve your health, protect the environment, and promote animal welfare? If so, have you considered adopting a vegan diet? In this video, we'll explore the 7 benefits of a vegan diet that you may not have known about. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases to promoting environmental sustainability and improving skin health, a vegan diet has numerous advantages. So sit back, grab a vegan snack, and let's dive into the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. In recent years, the popularity of veganism has surged, with many people choosing to adopt a plant-based diet for ethical, environmental, and health reasons. A vegan diet is one that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Instead, vegans consume a variety of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Here are some of the top benefits of a vegan diet. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. A vegan diet is rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are essential for maintaining good health. Research has shown that vegans have lower rates of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that vegans had a 75% lower risk of developing high blood pressure compared to non-vegans. Similarly, a review of 96 studies found that vegans had a 15% lower risk of developing or dying from cancer. Weight loss. Adopting a vegan diet can be an effective way to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. This is because plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and higher in fiber compared to animal-based foods. For example, a cup of cooked lentils contains around 230 calories and 16 grams of fiber, while a 3-ounce serving of beef contains around 250 calories and no fiber. Studies have shown that vegans tend to have lower BMIs and a lower risk of obesity compared to non-vegans. Environmental sustainability. The meat and dairy industry is a major contributor to environmental issues such as deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Adopting a vegan diet can help to reduce your carbon footprint and promote environmental sustainability. For example, a study published in the journal Science found that if everyone in the United States adopted a plant-based diet, it would reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 28%. Ethical considerations. Many people choose to adopt a vegan diet for ethical reasons, as they believe it is wrong to exploit and kill animals for food. A vegan lifestyle promotes animal welfare and can help to reduce animal suffering. It is important to note that not all animal products come from factory farms or involve animal cruelty, but many people believe that consuming animal products is still unethical. Improved digestion. A vegan diet is naturally high in fiber, which is essential for maintaining good digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Additionally, plant-based foods are rich in prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut and promote a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, including immune function and mental health. Increased energy. Many people report feeling more energetic after adopting a vegan diet. This may be because plant-based foods are high in complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, a vegan diet is generally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to feelings of sluggishness and fatigue. Improved skin health. A vegan diet is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Plant-based foods are also anti-inflammatory, which can help to reduce skin redness and inflammation. Additionally, a vegan diet is generally lower in processed foods and added sugars, which can contribute to skin problems such as acne and wrinkles. In conclusion, a vegan diet can have numerous benefits for your health, the environment, and animal welfare. If you are considering adopting a vegan lifestyle, it is important to ensure that you are getting all the necessary nutrients, such as protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to help you plan a well-balanced and nutritious vegan diet that meets your individual needs. That's it for today's video on the benefits of a vegan diet. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Whether you are a long-time vegan or just starting to consider a plant-based lifestyle, remember that a well-balanced and nutritious diet is essential for good health. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health, wellness, and sustainability. Thanks for watching.